This is Concerto, my 32-foot Westerly Fulmar that was first launched in September 1980. She was launched after 7 weeks of intensive work, including 3.5 weeks ashore in preparation for being the Westerly Owners Association boat at the Southampton International Boat Show in September 2021. This video should give everyone a real feel of how Concerto has been improved to make her look almost like new despite being 41 years old. Besides being anti-fouled, the top sides and coach roof have been mechanically sanded wet using 180 grit followed by 350 grit and 500 grit, then coarse and fine compound before being polished. The decks were masked using 3.5 rolls of masking tape and then repainted in grey and some limited areas with white interdeck non-slip deck paint. Most of the exterior woodwork has been revarnished with between 4 and 6 coats of a traditional oil-based varnish. With a few jobs overrunning on time, the cockpit did not get compounded and polished. You can see the interior woodwork is glowing as it has been stripped back to bare wood and 3 coats of lacquer applied. Both saloon berths can be made wider by removing the backrest and stored in the blocks at floor level or used as solid lee boards. The engine cover is the only part of the woodwork that did not get refinished in time, but it does show the massive improvement in the colour of the wood. The 2 leaves of the table open out and 6 people can easily dine here. All of the teak and holly floors have been stripped and finished with an acrylic sports hall varnish. Notice how all the holly strips line up looking forward, including the angled piece in the forward cabin. The toilet compartment is neat and tidy. And that is the original Blake's Levac toilet. The aft hanging locker is for wet gear and the forward locker for dry clothes. At the head of the bed is an infill to convert these berths into a double berth. The wide quarter berth behind the chart table, currently used for storage, could be used for 2 children or 1 adult.